Hello everybody, it is that time of year again where folks are looking at shade sales for a possible solution to shade their patios and backyards and whatnot, and the question continues to come up about the posts and how secure and strong they need to be. I came across this job the other day and thought this was a great example. Here's a massive 4-inch by 6-inch post. You can see that these are not more than about 8-9 feet long. The base plate is 1-inch thick steel. The lag bolts going down into the concrete are 1 inch in diameter. These posts are massive and the sails are not that big. And you can see how badly the posts are getting pulled in towards the tension. This is just a great example of the kind of tension that's created, and this is why Four Seasons Awning does not recommend attaching a post just especially to a 4-inch slab. More often than not, people are going to use, say, like a 2x2, maybe a 3x3. I can't imagine anybody going to the extents of a 4x6 post or a plate that's anywhere near this thick for a residential application. Yet this particular sail is actually smaller than a lot of the sails that would be installed at a residence. So if you want a quality product that is going to allow you to tension a sail to where it can withstand just about any wind, the attachments and the posts need to be beyond significant to prevent this problem from happening at your home, or even worse, to where it's actually going to pop all your fasteners out of the concrete, which is going to create even a bigger mess for you. So something to think about. Thank you.